plan to go in there with her.
Yeah, wonderful.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Now I've been looking for something to go on my other wall, and now I have it.
Oh, hooray! Hooray! And there's another one in the other end of the list. Anything in there? Sam, did I put the keyboard in? I forgot to put it on this one.
Always a little paperwork.
Yeah, I did on that one. I forgot to put it on this one.
You're used to just doing one.
That's right. That's good. That's good. Copy with the, Scott's Hebrew name, it's an unusual one.
Yeah, it's for sure. You know, it's written on our
Yeah,
ketubah.
oh, it's written on the ketubah.
Yeah, here.
No, what is a ketubah?
It's on the wall here. It's the Jewish marriage.
It's a contract.
I should spell it the same way I did on the other one, Samuel's.
Mazel tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov and mazel tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov Yehelanu. Simmen tov and mazel tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov and mazel tov and Simmen tov Yehelanu. David Melech Yisrael